Introducing the Global Specialties 200 series of arbitrary function waveform generators. The SFG-205 has a bandwidth capable of producing a 5 MHz sine wave. The SFG-210 has a 10 MHz bandwidth. These generators offer a 3.5-inch LCD for clean and crisp color viewing, USB interface, 16 kilopoint arbitrary waveform memory, 48 built-in predefined arbitrary waveforms, and 10 instrument recall locations. On front, there is a USB port. Waveforms can be saved to and from a flash drive. Firmware updates can easily be made from this port. The display area provides the waveform information and parameters, as well as the output impedance indicator. The waveform selection keys include sine, square, ramp, pulse, noise, and arbitrary. The soft keys on the left enable settings such as frequency, period, amplitude, offset, duty, and phase. The SFG-205 and 210 offer multiple modulation functions, plus sweep, burst, and 10 locations for storage or recall of instrument settings. The Help menu gives instruction on a variety of useful topics. There are 50 ohm BNC terminals for external triggering and output. On the back, the USB terminal allows you to connect with a PC. Use the included EasyWave software to create your own arbitrary waveforms and then upload them to the generator. The AC input line is universal, so there's no need to worry about voltages or switching fuses. Just plug it in and you're good to go. The SFG-205 and SFG-210 come with a printed quick start guide, AC power cord, and USB cable. Downloadables such as the full manual and EasyWave software can be found on our website, globalspecialties.com.